All right, so we are going to address a shorter layered haircut. And you can see what I'm doing is I am starting my very first section in the center back because I'm removing a lot of the bulk that we have back there, because what we're going to do is we are going to take that back nice and tight. So I'm just going through and taking sections to eliminate the weight, just kind of cut it off right from the get-go, because I already know we're going to take that back section nice and tight. Alright, so now that I've removed a lot of that bulk, I'm just going to go through and do some scissor overcomb to really tighten and strengthen up that outline. And I'm basically going to just take the hair and take the comb, I should say, and as I'm working my way up the head, slowly scoop the comb out so it leaves it longer as I get higher. Alright, so now it is time to just wrap up the layering. We've completed the back entirely. As you can see, I'm just doing some square layers here on the right side. And I'm just going to go through, cross-check them, and we will wrap this haircut right up. Alright, so we've come to the end of this haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can see we left the layering longer on the sides and top, but really took down the back neck area so that the crown area looks nice and full. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, put them down in that comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you guys so much again for watching.